Hey guys, my name is Ashley. Today I'll be showing you 5 stretches that you can do in the morning to energize your body and get ready for the workday. All you'll need is something soft to lay on. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and add this to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Let's start with stretch number 1, sun salutation. I'll go ahead and demonstrate it once, and then we'll do it together 3 times. Bring your arms up as you take a deep breath in. Lean forward as you exhale, hands to the ground or as far as they can go. Inhale again, flat back up. Exhale down, hands to the ground. Slowly walk your hands out. And I like to do a couple of runs here to stretch out that calf muscle. Next up, come into a plank for just 2-3 seconds. Lower down. You can always use your knees if it's easiest, and lower down. Do a small little cobra. You can go on your forearms or you can go all the way up to your hands. And return back to the beginning. Again, you can go up on your knees, back to the downward dog, and return back. You can have a slight bend of the knee here, flat back to breathe in. Let's do that 3 times. Fold forward, hands to the ground, inhale up, and back down. Walk those hands out. Let's pedal the feet. Continue that continuous breath in and out as we go forward. Knees down. The elbows are going to be close to your body. And up to cobra. Try to make sure your shoulders are down. You can move your head around a little. And back down. Up. Downward dog. And walk it in. That was great. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale up. Flat back. And down. Walk it out. Pedal the feet. Keep breathing. Plank. Lower down. Elbows tight. Up. Look around. Look around. And back into that downward dog. The goal is to make it as continuous as possible. Last time, best time. Let's come up and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try to really flow with it here. All the way down and through. Gorgeous, guys. And slowly roll it up. As we get into our second stretch, big second, you guys. I'll demonstrate it once. This is stretch number 2. Come into a big parallel second and hands down. We're going to start with a nice, easy swing. So grab those elbows as you see right here. And I'm going to swing gently from side to side. This really helps with the lower back. After a couple of swings, I'm going to go to one side, to the right, take a nice little bend, up, and to the other side, and a nice little bend in the opposite leg. And let's start that from the top 3 times with me now. Come down, grab those elbows, gentle swing. Come over to one leg, bend that opposite knee, up, other side, bend that opposite knee, and back to the swing. Grab those elbows, gentle swing. Second time, make sure you're breathing. Over to one leg, try to go even deeper in that bend on your opposite leg. Nice generous bend. Back to center. Last time, make these swings a little bigger. See if you can relax your neck a little longer. And over to one side. Big bend. Over to the other side. Big bend. Awesome, you guys. Let's bring our hands down so we can gently come into crisscross applesauce. This is stretch number 3. Let me demonstrate it first, and let's do it 3 times together. So I'm going to bring my chest forward and then concave it back. Forward and back. 3 times forward and back. I'm going to bring my forearm down to one side, look up at the ceiling, and stretch. And other side, forearm down, look up at the ceiling, and stretch. Let's do it together. And forward and back. And forward and back. I like to put my chin up, tuck it in. Now let's stretch to one side, forearm down, head to the sky. Breathe, and up, other side, slow. And bring it up. You can always reverse it. And 2, and 3, and 4, and over. Up, other way, over, and up. Last time, and forward, and back. 2, and 3. Last time, reach even further. And up, bring it over. And up. Great job, you guys. Let's go into stretch number 4. All right, this is stretch number 4. I'm going to start with my feet on the ground, knees up, coming knees both to one side. The knee that's on top is going to draw all the way to the waist, making almost like a half circle. Come back to center and the other side. Both knees to one side, top leg detaches, and you draw with your toe almost like a half circle. We're going to do that a couple times like this. You can be as fluid or as slow as you want. And after a few times, we're just going to hold, getting a nice twist, warming up that back. Second side and hold. I like to put my hands in the opposite direction of where my knees are to get that extra twist. And reset back in center. Let's try that together 3 times. Ready? And swinging. And another side. Make sure you're drawing with your toe, half circle each side. All right, I'm going to do one more. Come to the right, hold, look away from the direction of your knees for that extra twist. And second side. The swings really help warm up that vertebrae and just get you energized and mobile for the day. Reset back in center. Let's do it a second time. And swing, and swing, and swing. Make sure that toe's touching the floor. You can go a little faster now that we're almost to the end. Make sure you're waking up your body. One more. And hold to the right. Look away. And bring it to the other side. Look away. Last time, you guys. And swing. You can go a little faster this time, warm up that lower back, and I'm gonna hold to one side, look away, and hold to the other side. Perfect, reset. Let's slowly get up, roll to one side, bring it up. Now we're going to go into our final and fifth stretch. We're gonna start with a cat-cow. So I'm gonna curve in and tuck that chin in as deep as it can go. And I'm going to extend out, chin all the way up. We're gonna do that for a few times. I like to inhale with it. Exhale when I go up. After that, we're going to go to one side a few times, making a complete rotation like you're drawing a circle with your head. And reverse. Tucking in as deeply as you can, bending that back as much as you can. All right, let's do that 3 times together. Starting with the cat-cows. In, inhale, out, exhale. In, out. In, and out. Let's roll to one side. Big roll. All the way from side to side. Draw that circle. Reverse it. All right. Reset. And cow. And cat. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. And up. Roll. Roll it. And roll it. Reverse. All right, for this last one, we're going to go a little bit faster. And in. And out. In. And out. In. And out. Roll it, still keeping it medium tempo for these ones. Getting that neck warmed up, those hips. Reverse. Full body. Full body. Last one. And end. Take it back to that child's pose. Deep breath in. And let it out. Roll it up. And that's the end of our 5 stretches. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus. And don't forget to watch more of my videos. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.